Thank you for coming. Welcome and hi, everyone. And I have an announcement and a proposition for you. Would you like to experience the upcoming solar eclipse differently? I mean, differently like under your skin and within your body? And that's why we're here today. I'm going to explain you the details. But let me introduce myself for those who are new to me, who are just joining or seeing this video for the first time. My name is Dr. Lilly Lei, and I'm a physician turned health educator and coach to empower you to heal without medicine. And April 8th is a great opportunity for people to understand the nuances about what is these things about healing without medicine, so foreign to the modern humans. See, I teach a mind, body, and spirit practice to maintain health, so we don't get sick that often. Okay, and this practice, it teaches the mind to sense the energy field, the energy, we are all made of energy, okay? And the connection here of this healing thing with this celestial event is that this is the same technique we're gonna use to experience this eclipse, but differently in our bodies rather than simply watching it. So that's the deal. Now, if you're a newcomer, don't worry. I got your back, because later I will tell you how you're going to join us as well to experience this event in that way. So let me just explain a little bit what is so special about this next total eclipse, the solar eclipse, happening on April 8th. There's going to be a perfect alignment. It's the right alignment between these celestial bodies, between the sun, the moon, and the earth. Let me share my screen so you can just see visually what's going to happen. Okay, just give me 1 second. So what is going to happen is that this is the earth, this is us, and this solar eclipse on Monday, the 8th, we're going to have a straight line between the earth, the moon, and the sun. All the eclipses in the past, the line hasn't been so straight. Sometimes a little bit crooked, inclined, and so on. But let me just stop. But this time, the line between the sun, the moon, and then back the continent of the Americas, especially United States, is going to be right at the in the line. So what does that mean for us? Let me stop sharing this. So what does that mean? This means that that day at that alignment, which is going to be around 3:15 and 3:30, when these three celestial bodies are going to be aligned, they're going to behave like magnets. And I don't know whether you have played with magnets. When they're properly aligned, there's going to be a heightened concentration of energy. How crazy does it sound that you can feel the eclipse that rather than watching it? How crazy it is that you can feel the energy fields? And this is a question that I may get two different answers, because the advanced students of this mind, body, and spirit practice, which is based on Qigong, they already sense their energy field. So this thing about sensing this eclipse, it may not be so far-fetched to them. But for the newcomers, it may be a little bit like, impossible. However, I'm going to just tell you, all living beings, they can sense the energy field. Like if you can wake up every morning without an alarm clock, that means you're sensing the passing of the sun in the skies. Also, it's already established that every time we have a full moon, either the hospital or the ER or the the police department, they get at its busiest moments because either we have accidents, violence, the crime increases, and people just get sick during full moon. So in other words, we all experience this, we all sense this energy field. The difference between the trained mind and the untrained mind is in the awareness. The trained mind, as I said, they just know how to tap it and then harness it for our own benefit. But the untrained mind is normally ended up in the ER or in the doctor's office or involved in an accident. So that is the difference, the awareness. Okay, so then that's why it's very important, or that you will wish to learn to sense your energy field, but we do it for health and wellness. But then on Monday, we're going to use the same technique to really just get us some awe and wonder, because it's going to be incredible, and I'm very excited myself. Now, for the newcomers, if you're very interested on this, I have prepared a 3-day crash course for this weekend, because this is the eclipse is going to happen on Monday. So the 3 days leading up to the eclipse, I have prepared a crash course to teach you how to sense the energy. See, and this solar eclipse is so special because the energy is going to be so concentrated that it's going to facilitate the beginner to immediately sense it. So that's why I wanted to share this with you, because I was going to just practice the Qigong myself, but then I thought on all of the people that could enjoy this fascinating experience. Okay, so then for those newcomers, if you're interested in this crash course, there's going to be a link. You have to sign up. Okay, and this is going to happen on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, beginning at 6 p.m. It's going to go around 1 hour or less, depending on your questions. And then I'll include you, everything's going to happen on Zoom. And then I'll include a Zoom for you so we can all participate, the advanced students and the beginner, on this experience. Experiencing this solar eclipse like never before. The next one, like in this kind, is going to happen in 45 years. So, hey, what the heck? Let's just try to like seize the moment. So, get ready to experience this solar eclipse like never before under your skin and within your body. So newcomers, sign up. And now, let me see if you have any question. Yes, Rosita, mind-blowing. You can't imagine it, but you're going to experience that on Monday. And I'm very excited for that. And that's what I thought is like the advanced students. Let's see whether you can see me. The advanced students, you have done very well on the past training, but the only thing I said, oh, I wish we could have a celestial event so you can really, really learn to feel the energy field. And then guess what? We had this total eclipse. So yes, it's going to be incredible. And the newcomers, if you're interested on learn how to sense your energy field in preparation for this celestial event on Monday, the total solar eclipse, sign up. The link is going to be also in the comment box. Look for that, or on my page. Okay, guys, thank you for joining in, and I'll see you soon. Get excited. Bye.